Merrily we float along. We're on our way to Coco Key in the Bahamas. Evidently, we don't have to go very fast. So it's flat, calm seas, calm winds, and peacefulness out here. As seen from my balcony on the Royal Caribbean Independence of the Seas. I am in a corner aft balcony on deck 9. You can see it's not a very large balcony. I mean, it's deep enough here to have a lounge chair, but this is kind of in a bad place because, you know, you could hit your head on this thing right here. Deck 10's up there. Deck 7's the best ones down below us. But here we are. Still a beautiful view. Unobstructed view from my balcony. There's my room. It's like a floating condo.